Hello, my name is Morgan Freeman, and today I am going to take you into the southeastern part of the Kruger National Park in South Africa, where less than an hour ago, a member of our WhatsApp group had spotted a small pack of wild dogs. However, despite the pretty accurate specification of their position, it took us quite a while to find the dogs. In this kind of environment, dry bushes and trees on dark soil, their camouflage of white, black, brown, and golden spots works very well. Had it not been for the occasional flopping of an ear, we might have never spotted them. 1 hour later, the dogs had not been doing much, so most other tourists had already left, when from the north, an official park vehicle arrived. Its driver asked us if we knew where the dog with the collar had laid down. Sure we did. The men had obviously not come for mere sightseeing purposes. Their mission? To dart the 2 key members of the small group and then vaccinate them against canine distemper, a virus that finds its way into the nature reserve through domestic dogs that live close to the park and sometimes cross its borders to venture into the bush. While the virus usually does not harm domestic dogs, it is deadly for their wild-living relatives. Less than a year ago, an entire Kruger Park wild dog pack was wiped out within a few weeks. And since wild dogs are an endangered species, the park officials had decided that at least the leaders of the remaining packs should be vaccinated. Much to our surprise and joy, the 2 men allowed us to leave our car and take closer looks. A once-in-a-lifetime opportunity we were sure not to miss.
Nee, toch wel. Maar het komt stel natuurlijk klein ingewikkeld. Ja, zij beweegt enige plek, dis nie oorlewing kan daar.
Oké, dan moet ik het terug.
Ag, kyk mense, dis 'n groot voertuig dan.
Als je mij wolpijn trekt, is gemolken als ik er benoemd gezien.
Ja, dat is speciaal. Ja. Ah, nee.
Die frotten.
Ja, dat gaan we afnemen.
Ja, zo is het nog.